Cesar, remind me, past the begin and audience that is Explosivo. Survey says Britney's Glory got to know. Then followed by Empire Queen going along for the first turn. We have Remind Me, an audience that is Explosivo. 3 lengths away in third. Survey says down on the inside is Empire Queen. 3 lengths for the back in fifth now. Britney's Glory and got to know. Remind Me, Explosivo fighting it out for the lead. 3 lengths away in third is Survey says down in fourth is Empire Queen, got to know, and Britney's Glory. And still Remind Me by Avaraneka. And on the outside is Explosivo racing in third. Survey says then here comes Empire Queen in fourth. Moving up Britney's Glory and got to know. Remind Me still in front. And on the outside is Explosivo. And in third now is Britney's Glory. Got to know now in fourth. Then comes Survey says Remind Me, Explosivo is on the outside. But it's still Remind Me, Explosivo is on the outside. Fighting it out for the lead. Remind Me, Explosivo on the outside. But it's still Remind Me, followed by Explosivo on the outside second. Remind Me still in front, followed by Explosivo. And finally it's Remind Me, Explosivo. Then comes Britney's Glory, got to know.
Ako tingin ko mag-i-improve pa to.
45.
Remind Me. Portas ganda. 45.